Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Monica. For those of you that are new, we are in full moving mode. I have been moving all day. I am so exhausted, but I want to bring you along for an all-natural cleaner. So long story short, I switched to all-natural cleaning products a while back. I have asthma, and having to breathe in harsh chemicals really upsets my poor lungs. So I just started doing homemade cleaner. It's better for me, it's better for the rest of my family, and it works. So why not use something that's all natural and it cleans and it's super easy and cheap. So if you're making, say, orange juice or a lemon pie or something that requires citrus, you can also use, I've done grapefruit. It is also delicious, but you want something that has a citrus peel, and then you just want the peel. You don't want the actual fruit. And you will have to excuse me. Everything is pretty much still packed, so I only have a few things accessible, including very few knives. But we want to fill up our jar with these peels. You don't have to fill it up all the way. So if you only have, one or two lemons or oranges worth of peel, that is fine. We're just going to be infusing our vinegar, and it is absolutely amazing. So this is really all you need. You don't need a lot. Now, if I have a lot, I will fill the jar up. I'll do a half-gallon jar, gallon jar. It's fine. But if you only have a couple, it works with that too. And then all we're going to do is top everything off with that white vinegar, like so. Stick a lid on it and just let it sit for a month to 6 weeks. And it is going to change colors. So it's going to change colors. It's going to darken. It's going to have a yellowish tint if it has the lemons in it. If it has oranges, it's going to be more of an orangish tint. But regardless, it's going to be amazing, and it's going to take on that citrus smell. Okay, so if you don't like the vinegar smell, because it will smell like vinegar when you spray it, but it does not last. My husband would not be happy if I made the house just constantly smell like vinegar. So I'm telling you, it does not last. But if you're really worried about it, you can also add essential oils to this to give it a better scent when you're spraying it, and of course after. Plus, there's different benefits to using certain essential oils. So for instance, when I'm using this for my toilet one, that has tea tree oil in it. And then you can also use lavender if you want to do that for just all-purpose cleaning to help with the scent. But all you do, pop your lid on, make sure you have something between the jar and the lid if you're using a metal lid, because the vinegar will cause rust. But after it is done its thing, sat, you don't have to stir it, nothing, for about 6 weeks. Strain out the peels because they have done their job, and then you can throw this in a spray bottle and use it as needed. And I use it just like you would Clorox or I don't even know the names. It's been so long since I've used them. Any sort of all-purpose cleaner, you can just use this instead. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching.